Hello students, welcome to Business Studies classes. Today we will discuss our next part of the types of insurance. So first is marine insurance. Marine insurance is a contract of insurance under which the insurer undertakes to indemnify the insured in the manner and to the extent thereby agreed against marine losses. This is taken for the insurance of ship, cargo in transit and freight. In simple way, marine insurance is taken by the cargo owner or the freight owner for protection of losses arising from marine perils or perils of sea. So basically this is the protection which are taken by the ship owner. So marine perils or perils of sea means there is collision of ship with rock, fire, ship attacked by enemies, etc. The variety type of marine insurance are: first is ship insurance or hull insurance. When ship is insured against any type of danger is known as ship insurance or hull insurance. Cargo insurance. Cargo insurance is taken by the cargo owner. It is basically protect the cargo while loss occurred during the journey. And the next type of marine insurance is freight insurance. So freight insurance, when the marine insurance company policy is taken to guard against the non-recovery of freight, it is known as freight insurance. Then next is important elements regarding marine insurance. So first is marine insurance based on principle of indemnity. It is also based on utmost good faith. The insurable interest must be exit, and the principle of cause proxima will apply to it. So this is all about the marine insurance. Next concept is reinsurance. Reinsurance is a contract in which an insurer enters into a contract with another insurer to insure the whole or the part of the risk covered by the first insurer. It is happened when an insurance company feels that it cannot bear the entire risk alone by itself. In such case, the insurance company transfer a part of risk to the other insurance companies. Double insurance is another concept of insurance. Here, one person can do more than one insurance policy. When more than one insurance policy is taken to cover the same risk, then it is known as double insurance. So this is all the types of insurance. Of this chapter is telecom services. Telecom services is involve use of electronic device for exchange of information. There are various types of telecommunication services. First is cellular mobile service, second is fixed line service, then cable service, VSAT service, and the last is DTH service. Cellular mobile service are used to provide voice and non-voice message, data services, and also PCO services by utilizing any type of network equipment within the service area. And in India, the examples are Reliance, Vodafone, Idea, Airtel. These are companies which provide cellular mobile services. Next is fixed line services. Fixed line services provide voice and non-voice messages, data services to establish linkage for the long distance traffic. And the next is cable services. Cable services is a one-way transmission of entertainment related services to the subscribers within a licensed area of operation. Next is VSAT services. VSAT full form is very small aperture terminal. It is a two-way satellite based communication services which is commonly used to transmit narrow band data and broadband data. And the last is DTH services. DTH full form is direct to home services. It is a satellite based media services which is received through satellite with the help of a small dish antenna and set-top box. So these are the basic concepts related to the telecom services. So this is all about our today's lesson. Hope you guys understand this chapter. Thank you for watching.